Now, the World Health Organization is worried about a surge in cases in COVID-19 in West Africa, urging governments to prioritize vulnerable groups in vaccination campaigns. W.H.O's Regional Director for Africa, Dr. W.H.O says West Africa has, in the last 4 weeks, recorded its highest number of COVID-19 deaths since the pandemic began. Meanwhile, in Ghana, 6 more deaths have shot the total death toll to 974.
Of the over 213 million COVID cases globally, Africa is responsible for close to 1 million of those, with nearly 20,000 deaths. But as many countries continue to experience third waves and hospitals running out of bed space, the consequences for Africa is dire. The situation is compounded by what the World Health Organization has described as a fierce vaccine war. Powerful countries acquiring as many vaccines for their own amidst conversations of acquiring booster jabs. WHO's Regional Director for Africa, Dr. W.H.O says this could spell doom for the continent.
Africa is encountering headwinds. Moves by some countries globally to introduce booster shots threaten the promise of a brighter tomorrow for Africa. As some richer countries hoard vaccines, they make a mockery, frankly, of vaccine equity. I'd like to encourage all countries to urgently reinforce the public health and preventive measures, including testing, to understand where the virus is circulating and to inform action to protect communities.
In the last 4 weeks alone, Africa has reached its highest number of COVID-19 deaths since the pandemic. The World Governing Health Organization wants priority given to at-risk and vulnerable groups in vaccination drives across the continent to prevent further deaths.
Failure to vaccinate the most at-risk groups in all countries will result in needless deaths. 9 out of 23 countries experiencing a resurgence are in West Africa. Guinea-Conakry, for example, is experiencing rising cases. Côte d'Ivoire was added to our list of countries with cases surging last week, and Benin was added this week.
In Ghana, the death toll is inching close to the 1,000 mark. 6 more deaths have shot the toll to 974, with 54 persons still in critical condition. 139 others have severe ailment. The Ghana Health Service dashboard as of August 19 projects 518 new cases with an active caseload of 6,737. With a nearly 300,000 single-shot Johnson & Johnson vaccines already administered, the health service is expected to inoculate many more persons with the recently received 250,000 donated AstraZeneca